Today we'll be seeing how to create a repository, how to create a branch, folder, file, and commit that file, and to create a pull request and how to merge a pull request. So let's get started.
Hi, hello, all. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So we are back with another video. So you are watching Techie Stupidzz with us. If you guys are new to our YouTube channel, so don't forget to subscribe us and follow us on the Instagram as well.
So first we will be creating repository now. So you can see on the right top corner a plus symbol. So you can click on that.
Okay,
So the first option is new repository. So you can click that
new repository.
and give your repository name.
Okay, new repository name, Java project. Let it
And you
be.
can check,
Okay, go ahead.
or you can check add a readme file and let it be public.
Okay. Let it
And now
be
click on
okay.
create repository.
Okay, if you guys want to create a free GitHub account, the link is available in the description. Check out the video.
Now a repository with the name Java project is created. So now we'll create a branch in this. So now for creating a new branch, you have to click on main.
Here.
Yes.
Okay.
And write and type a branch name you decide to create.
Let me name it as Dev branch. Okay.
Okay. And down you can see create branch dev from main. So click on that.
Mhm. Okay.
So now you can see we are in dev bench. For that, how you can get clarified is the place where main was there, you can see there you have dev now. So we are in dev bench. We'll be creating a folder now. Folder and a file and we'll be committing it. So click on add file.
Add file. Add file. Okay, here it is.
Click on create new file.
Create a new file.
And now for creating a folder, what you need to do is give a folder name
Folder
and
name.
a slash.
Okay, folder name plus slash. So
Yes.
source slash. Okay, this is a folder.
So yes, whenever you give a name and include a slash along with that, a folder will be created. So we can give file name
Okay, file name
with whatever extension you want.
code.txt. So I will add this is my code. Okay, I created a file. Next.
And now scroll to the bottom of the page.
Mhm.
You can give a commit message to the file.
Okay, what is this commit? What does commit means?
Committing a file means you're saving the file to the repository.
Oh, okay.
So for saving, you'll be giving the purpose of the file or what this file contains. So it should be short where you'll be able to understand it.
Okay, I will say created a code.txt file. So how about this?
So it says commit directly to the dev branch. So we are working on the dev branch, so we'll be directly doing it. We need not create a new branch now.
Okay,
So whatever is checked by default, we can retain it, then click on commit new file.
okay, let me commit this.
Okay, you can see the file is created with the commit message you have given.
Mm-hmm.
On the top, if you see this branch is one commit ahead of main. So
Oh,
it means you have one file or one commit is done, which is not done in your main branch. So we will be merging main and dev branch now. Okay, we have created a folder, and inside a folder we have created code.txt. So we'll verify that this folder and text file is not created in branch. So we are inside source folder. We'll click on Java project so that we'll be outside source folder
Okay, Java
and
project.
click on main branch.
I should go to main branch.
Yes.
Okay, I'm back to main branch. I could see only one file. I cannot see that folder and file. Okay, fine.
So if you see in the top of the screen, it says like dev add the recent pushes 3 minutes ago, and it is only popping up for us to see compare and pull request. So for creating a pull request, we can click on that and
Okay,
create.
compare and pull request. Fine.
If you see here, it is able to merge, and these branches can be automatically merged. And if you see towards the left hand side, it shows as base as main, compare as dev. So the destination branch will be main and the source branch will be compare dev. So we are taking from dev to putting it to main.
Okay, got it.
So if you want to leave any comment why you're creating this pull request or anything such that, you can write in the text area where you have leave a comment and click on create a pull request.
Okay. Um, Merge new code. Then let me raise a create a pull request. Okay, it got created.
So we raised a pull request now, and it says like this branch has no conflicts with the base branch. So if there is any conflicts, you have to resolve the conflicts and then merge. As we don't have any conflicts now, we'll be clicking on merge pull request.
Okay, this will merge the both div and main branch, is it?
Yes.
Okay, fine.
So whatever file was there in dev, you will be able to see in your main branch.
Confirm merge.
So you can see it is successful. Pull request successfully merged and closed. Like sometimes it happens to be by mistake you merge some other branch to some other branch. At that time, if you want to revert that merge, you can click on that revert button. So whatever commit you have done recently that is merging, it will be reverted to the previous. So the branches will be unmerged.
Okay, by using this.
Yes, the same revert button.
Okay, fine.
And now for us to verify it, we'll be clicking on code.
Okay, I could see that folder and with the same commit messages here.
Okay, just open the folder and verify whether the file is available.
Yep, I have the file and the same code.
Okay, go to Java project.
Okay, I'm in Java project now.
So now we saw how to create a folder and how to create a file. If sometimes it happens to be like you have to select a folder whichever is there in your local system. So we'll just see that now. Click on add file
Add a file.
and now select upload files.
Okay, upload files.
So if you see here, you can drag files here to add them to your repository, or you can choose your files. So drag is you select a file and put it here, or else you can choose it. So we'll be choosing now.
Okay, let me select all these files. Open. Oops, I couldn't see my folder here.
Okay, then I guess you can try with drag and drop.
Okay, then I will cancel this. Okay, let me select all these and drag and upload here. Okay, I could see the folder now.
So now you can give commit message and click on commit changes.
Uploaded files. Then I will commit this files. Okay, I got those changes here.
Okay, so we are done with creating a branch, folder, file, committing, and merging the branches. And we saw one more extra is how to upload a file and folder.
So if you guys have any query or doubt in this, so please drop a comment in the comment section. So if you guys like this video, don't forget to click on the thumbs up, subscribe us and support us. So see you guys in next video.